Hey guys, the following video is brought to you by American Collectors Insurance. Stick around towards the end for some more information.
My name is Larry Bagwell at Beach Bend Raceway in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I'm driving a 55 Chevrolet mid block. My stepson's out there and we're working on it. And we fired it up and he said, "That sounds like a beast." And that's the way it went from right there. That's the way it went.
Nice.
He sort of named it. Had this car right here about 15, 16 years. I always wanted a gasher, and I told everybody I was gonna build one. They said, "You won't do it." You know, and I had to prove them wrong. So this is what it turned out to be. A gasher is a straight axle car, pre-62, I guess, something like that, 65. Straight axle car, radius wheels. They run them back in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. And they got them jacked up in the air, you know, supposed to be so high off the ground to make them shift all the weight to the back, get better traction. You know, and it's different look from anything else. I tell my wife $100 every part. I've been working on this car probably, I worked on it about 3 or 4 years. I'd get mad and quit, you know, and let it sit for a while, and then I'd get back on it. So, you know, it's a long time, probably about 5 years before I got it where I could really run it and drive it. And money-wise, got no idea. Oh man, it felt good, loved it. And you pulled out of the driveway, you know, there's no words to explain it. It's just nice. I sit out in my shop lots of times, you know, a week at a time, trying to figure out how I want to do stuff. Cut everything on this thing off 2 or 3 times, put it back on there. I built it by myself, no help, didn't know what I was doing, didn't nobody tell me nothing. You know what I mean? It just wound up like this. Well, they just need to try to find somebody that knows what they're doing, you know, and do a lot of research on it, do a lot of measuring, you know, just stuff like that right there, you know, to try to get it where it's going to work right. And, you know, we've done a lot of that on mine, you know, it took, you know, a lot of measuring on it. Make sure that everything was in line, you know, straight and everything. And it's run straight, you know, pretty much every time. Just be careful with it, make it safe. The people are so friendly, you know, if they need anything, I help them. If I need anything, they help me. I mean, you know, it's just, when you're running with a gasher group, it's just unreal. I mean, it's like that man standing right there behind you. You see him maybe once or twice a year, you know, just like family. I mean, that's just the way it is. Thank y'all. See y'all later. Thank you for doing this.
All right, go to www.americancollectors.com to get your free quote today and see how much you can save. Thanks for watching.